So today we will see a small program, then we will start discussing about garbage collection. So today the new program is write a Java program to print a number in reverse order. What do you mean by this? So there will be a number given. You have to print it in the reverse order or reverse direction. Let us say that I have a number like I have a number like 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the input. Okay. So if this is given as an input, my output should be 4, 3, 2, 1. Right? So number is getting printed in the reverse direction. Let us take that the second input as 1, 8, 6, 2. Okay. So my output has to be 2, 6, 8, 7. Right? So the question is how to approach this problem. So we will consider the first example, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be given as an input and the output has to be 4, 3, 2, 1. So how are we going to approach this problem? Very simple. We have already discussed a few examples in our previous class. So if there is any number given, in this case the number is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the given number. First of all, we have to extract the individual digits from this particular number. What do you mean by that? First of all, we have to extract the number 4 separately. Then we have to do the extraction for number 3. We have to separate all the digits from this whole number. Right? So how to achieve this? How to achieve the separation? How to achieve the extraction? We already know. To achieve the extraction or to to remove the last number, you can say that if I take the modular operation of the whole number with 10, right? So this modular operation is going to extract the last number, this 4. Right? So since this is a 4-digit number, right, reduce the number to a 3-digit number. So in order to do that, you can use divided operation, divisible operation. So I can divide the whole number by 10. If I do this, the 4-digit number will get reduced to a 3-digit number, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So next we are going to remove the number 3. So in order to extract this number 3, again perform the modular operation for the whole number. So divided by 10. With this operation, number 3 gets extracted. Right? Again reduce this whole set of number to a 2-digit number. In order to do that, again number divided by 10. We know all this. We have seen this in our yesterday's class. So this is going to be 12. So now again with the help of modular operation, right? This number 2 gets extracted. Right? And again what? Again do the division operation so that this 12 will be reduced to 1. Okay. So again perform the modular operation. So when you try to perform the modular operation, this time it is going to be 0. You cannot divide any number divided by 0. So the execution, the control will be stopped exactly at this iteration, which is the control is going to be stopped. So we have already extracted the 4 numbers. One is 4, 3, 2, 1. These numbers are got extracted successfully. Right? So what is my requirement? My requirement is to print the number in the reverse order. So if the extraction is completed, it doesn't mean that we are going to print all the, we are going to combine, we have to find a way to combine all this number. So this all the numbers are independent in nature, right? So we have to combine this, right? This is 4 and this is 3, this is 2 and this is 1. We have to combine this as a single number. This 4 digit needs to be combined together to form a single number, which is 4 3 2 1. Okay, this is my output. So how do we approach this? How do we proceed further to get this as an output? Let us understand that. So let me take a pencil here. So to extract the number, we have the formula, right? Number was modular of 10. We have the formula to do the extraction, and we have a formula to reduce the number from to the single digit. I mean, from 4 digits to 3 digits, from 3 to 2, from 2 to 1. So every time we perform this division operation, one digit will be eliminated. The beginning it was 4, then it became 3, it became 2, now it is 1, right? Isn't it? At last it is going to be 0, right? So we have a formula to combine the extracted number as a single number in reverse order. So what is the formula? Formula is very simple. So we will initialize a particular variable as so I'm going to initialize a reverse, just assume this as a reverse, okay, as 0. So the formula that I'm going to use is reverse into 10 plus extracted number. This is extracted number, right? Beginning I am initializing the reverse variable as 0. I will explain you about this formula after completing making sure that the number is successfully computed to a single reverse order number. So here reverse is going to be 0 into 10 plus, so what is first extracted number is 4, right? It is going to be what? 0 into 10 is 0, 0 plus 4 is going to be 4, right? So replace the reverse number with 4, right? This is first iteration. So this is first iteration. I can say this as iteration number 1. Right? In the second iteration, again, let us consider the same formula. So again, here reverse into 10. So this time the reverse value is what? Second iteration, the reverse value is 4. Right? So 4 into 10 plus extracted number. So in this case, we have to take the second extracted number. First extracted number is 4. Go back. Second extracted number is 3. Right? So 4 into 10 gives 40. Plus second extracted number is 3. See, the output, the evaluation is going to be 43. Right? So replace this reverse with now 43. Right? So this is the second iteration. So this is the second iteration. Right? And the third iteration is again formula says reverse into 10 plus extracted number. So the new reverse number is 43. So 43 into 10. 43 to 10 plus extracted number, right? So here 43 into 10 gives 430 plus extracted, third extracted number is what? 2. Right? The output is going to be 432. Right? So replace this reverse with a new value that we have got, which is 432. Right? Now we have completed the third iteration. So this is what? This is giving us the third iteration. Right? So in the fourth iteration again, since let me go back to the formula. Reverse into 10 plus extracted number. So the new reverse number is 432. 432 to 10 plus extracted number. So here 432 to 10 is 4320 plus the last extracted number, which is 1. So the output is going to be 4321. This is the latest reverse number. So replace this 432 into 432. Since there are no number can be extracted after this, right? We have extracted all the numbers, because if you see the extraction started from 4321. There are no numbers after this, so the iteration gets terminated after this condition. So this is the fourth iteration. So after the fourth iteration, there are no loops, because the condition is going to be false, because we have extracted all the numbers. Right? So you have to print the latest reverse number, which is 4321. If you print this, the output is going to be what? Reverse order of the given number. So this is the actual input. This is the output 4321. Right? So this is this. I have arrived to this formula. So this is the formula. This formula is nothing to worry about. This formula. It is very simple. I have just come to the conclusion about this formula in a simple algorithm. Right? So these are the extracted numbers. Right? 4, 3, 2. Just multiply 4 first extracted number with 10. What it is going to give? 40. Right? So add the output with the second extracted number, which is 3. The output is going to be what? 43. Again use the 43 into 10, which gives 430. Right? And add this 430 with the third extracted value, which is 2. 432. This is going to be 432. Again multiply 432 into 10. Right? Which gives 4320. So it is 4320. So add this 4320 with the last extracted value, and obviously the answer is going to be 4321. So this is how we are able to write. But if you want to represent the same algorithm in the computer or to make sure that the machine is getting understand, so this is how we represent. So I have taken a formula like reverse into 10 plus extracted number. Same thing is happening here. Every time first time the last number is getting, extracted number is getting multiplied with 10. So after the multiplication, we are going to add the second extracted number. Again, take this as a whole, multiply this with 10. right? We will be getting a value and add the latest extracted value to that number. Again, take this number as a word, multiply with this with the 10, you get a value, and again add the the value that you got after multiplication with the last extracted number. So we got 4321, right? Which satisfy the output. This is a simple algorithm to write a program to print a number in the reverse order. This is how we can imagine it. This is how we can approach this problem. But how are we going to write this, implement this in the programming language, right? We will see that now. So this is my test class. In the test class, let me take a method. Consider a method like static reverse order. This is going to take an integer. Static reverse order integer. So here I'm going to take integer like 1, 2, 3, 4. So I am going to call this. I'm not going to write the complete logic in the main method. Instead, I'm taking a static method where I can execute. When I call this method, it is going to give me the number in the reverse direction. So how do I call this? Just reverse, and you can pass here as number. Okay. Now implement the logic here. Okay. If you go back to the diagram, okay, we have performed what? We have performed what modular operation. Okay. We have performed the division operation, and at the same time we have we did some computation to combine all the extracted numbers into a single number. So this is the formula for that. So for that I have declared a variable as integer reverse equal to 0. This is how a variable is initialized in the beginning. Reverse. So I have taken the initial value as 0. So same thing I am going to take in my program. Right? Integer reverse equal to 0. I'm taking a while loop. This while loop is going to get executed as long as the condition is true. The while loop, I am giving the number, this number. So if you, what is this number? This number is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4. This 1, 2, 3, 4 will be passed here. From here, this number will be passed to the argument of this reverse order method. Right? As long as the number is greater than or equal to 0, please keep executing the while loop. Right? So in the first statement inside the while loop, we have to extract the number. So we have to use number percentage step to perform the extraction. I am going to take int extract equal to the percentage step. So the beginning, what number is getting passed? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Here the 1, 2, 3, 4. This extraction. This extract variable is going to save the value 4, because 4 is the number that will be extracted here, right, in the first iteration. After this, what we are going to do? We are going to give reverse equal to, I'm just taking the reverse variable here again. Here I am including the formula. What is that? Reverse into 10 plus extract, right? That is what the formula is. If you see here, reverse into 10 plus extracted number, right? So reverse equal to 0, 0 into 10 plus extracted number. So this formula is going to give me the output as, for the first iteration is going to be, the output is going to be like 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. After this, reduce the number from 4 placeholder to from 4 digits to 3 digits. In order to do that, I will just write number equal to number divided by 10. Right? So here the number is going to be reduced from 1, 2, 3, 4 to 1, 2, 3. Right? So again this 1, 2, 3 will be replaced here. From 1, 2, 3, 4 to the number, the new latest number value of the number variable is 1, 2, 3. Right? Again this 1, 2, 3 will be like getting some execution. This time 4, then 3 is going to get extracted. Again here, right? Here the value of reverse number is 4. The beginning it was 4. Right? In the second iteration, so the latest value of reverse variable is 4, right? 4 into 10 is equal to 40. 40 plus extracted number is 3 equal to 43. So the latest reverse value is going to be 43. Right? So again, this has to get the 3-digit number has to get reduced to 2-digit number, which is 1, 2. Right? And again here 1, 2 will be passed. It is this variable is going to extract the last number of this, the latest num variable, which is 2. Again, if you do the computation here, right, the reverse value is 43. 43 into 10, 430. 430 plus what? The extracted number is 2, equal to 432. Right? So again here the 12 will be reduced to 1. Right? So here we will pass. And before that, this reverse variable is going to have the new number, which is 432. Right? So this is okay, and at last 432 has to get multiplied with 10. This 4320 plus the latest extracted number is going to be 1. Here you have to add plus 1 equal to 4321. Right? So the latest reverse value is 4321. Right? And again 1, 2, 3 from 1 to from 1, and this time it is going to be 0. If the number is going to be 0, this while loop is going to break, because 0 cannot be greater than 0. So the while loop, the control comes outside of the while loop. The outside of the while loop, as soon as the control comes outside of the while loop, I am going to print what? Going to print reverse. Just print. Right? So this is how we can write a code for the reverse number. If I run this, wait, it is taking some time. Four, 3, 2, 1. So the input is 1, 2, 3, 4. The output is 4, 3, 2, 1. This is a simple program how to perform the execution for a given input, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to print the number in the reverse order. Just type S in